Hi everyone, I'm Brad Wood and I'm a senior consultant with Valiantys and Atlassian Platinum Solutions Partner. And in this video, we're going to look at 3 different ways to use Atlassian Intelligence within Atlassian Analytics. If you're not familiar, Atlassian Intelligence is Atlassian's AI solution designed to help individuals and teams work more efficiently. It boasts an ever-growing number of features for your Atlassian products, including Jira, Confluence, JSM, and even Analytics. Atlassian Analytics is Atlassian's data analysis and visualization tool. It's powered by the Atlassian Data Lake and can also connect to third-party tools. It's available at the enterprise level in Atlassian Cloud products. So here we are in just a demo dashboard in Analytics. Atlassian also has several dashboard templates to choose from, which are a great way to get up and running in Analytics quickly and to learn how to configure your own custom charts and dashboards and even how to utilize AI. Today's demo, we're just going to build some charts from scratch and utilize some other existing basic charts in order to showcase Atlassian Intelligence's functionality within Analytics. So one way we can utilize AI is by creating a new chart. So we'll just go over here and click Chart, and I'll select Custom Chart and go to Chart Editor. And to utilize AI when you are creating a chart, you'll need to move from the visual mode over to the SQL mode. And over here in this window, you can select the Atlassian Intelligence icon. And here's where you can use natural language to prompt Atlassian Intelligence to write a SQL query for the chart that you need. So for example, I could type in show the time and status for initiatives grouped by status. Do not show the done status category. So this is a rather complex query, and maybe I want to use AI to help me write this for my chart. I can just type in the prompt here and click go or press enter, and Atlassian Intelligence is going to generate a SQL query based on the prompt that I have entered in, and you can see that query here. Once I've reviewed this and I think this is maybe what I need, I'm going to click Run Query, and it's actually going to generate the table based on this query. And we can see it's done exactly that. So we see a status column, total time and status, and we have not shown any of the done status category statuses. If I move my preview window a little bit, we can see all of these are to do or in progress statuses. And so once I'm happy with that, I'll just click Save to Dashboard. And then I just need to choose a place to place this chart on my dashboard, and I'll just place it here. And now I've got that, and Atlassian Intelligence helped me generate the query to create that chart. We can also use Atlassian Intelligence to help us manipulate existing charts. So here we've got a simple bar chart based on statuses and time and status again. Let's click into this and select Edit Chart. And we can see here it's generated statuses and then total time and status by seconds. And you can see these numbers are rather large and maybe hard to interpret. So maybe we'd like it to help us manipulate that data so that it's not time and status by seconds, but time and status by days. We can hover over the column and click Apply Formula, and then we can use Custom right here. And you've got 2 choices here. It might, by default, have SQLite selected here, but you're going to want to select AI, and then you can type in here, convert column 2 to days, and press enter. Atlassian Intelligence is working, and you can see now it's applied a mathematical formula to divide total time and status seconds by 86,400, which is the number of seconds in a day. So now we've got our total time and status by days, which maybe that's a little bit easier data to interpret for us, and maybe that's what we want in this chart. So we can see here backlog 310 days all the way down to this bottom status open, which is 0 days. So maybe that's a little bit better data and maybe makes a little bit more sense to our audience, and we've used Atlassian Intelligence to help us manipulate that. Once we're happy with that, we'll click Save to Dashboard, And now we can see that chart has been updated, and we could rename our columns and add labels and all kinds of things to this chart to finalize that process. Lastly, Atlassian Intelligence can give us insights on our charts. So if I hover over this chart, for example, you see the Insights button. We'll click on this, and Atlassian Intelligence is going to give us a brief description of the data in the chart in natural language. So you can see here, backlog has the highest total time, indicating potential bottlenecks. So not only is it going to describe the data, it's going to make some inferences on the data as well. So for example, indicating potential bottlenecks because we have so many issues in the backlog for a long time. And you can see some other information and interpretations here as well. You can also vote on the quality of this response by clicking on the thumbs up or thumbs down icons, and that will send feedback to Atlassian based on what you've chosen. Insights, by the way, is not open for or not available for all chart types. I believe bubble maps and map charts Insights is not available, but it is available for all the other chart types. So that can be really helpful to help describe and interpret the data in the charts in your dashboards. And again, that is all powered by Atlassian Intelligence. So those are just 3 quick ways to utilize AI within Atlassian Analytics. There are so many more powerful features in analytics. We discuss those in other videos on our YouTube page. And we also discuss those in our analytics workshops. Those are hands-on courses that enable you to start using analytics for your organization's reporting needs quickly and efficiently. The information on those courses can be found at valiantys.com/training. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any other questions on analytics, AI, anything else Atlassian related, please feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn or email, and both of those will be included in Great Day.